we've been arranged in space in a naked pattern. Unbeknownst to me, we've been flying to and fro in a strange new world called Quasi Monte Cristo. It's turning us around, planting its timbers like thorns into a crown, lighting signals into the earth, feeling all the pain and all the discomfort. To the face, plotting nodes into the interface. We've been loving every blow delivered to us in Quasi Monte Cristo. It's turning us around and planting its timbers like thorns into a crown, lighting signals into the earth, feeling all the pain and all the discomfort.